I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming two essentials. You are logged in with an administrator account, and the PC is actively connected to the Wi-Fi network you want. Once done, open an elevated command prompt, right-click, Run as Administrator, so you can query saved profiles. Alternatively, open Control Panel Network and Sharing Center to view your active connection name. Make sure you note the exact SSID text. Commands and properties require the precise network name, including capitalization and spaces. Next, you gather the profile identifier and reveal the key. First, run netch WLAN show interfaces to confirm the connected profile name. Then run netch WLAN show profile name equals your SSID key equals clear. Look for the key content line. This is the password. If you prefer the GUI, Open Network and Sharing Center, click the active Wi-Fi, choose Wireless Properties, switch to the Security tab, and check Show Characters. These methods work because Windows stores the key per profile. Key equals clear requests the plaintext display. Finally, copy the revealed password and immediately store it in a secure password manager or encrypted note. Do not leave plaintext on the desktop. If this is for a shared machine, consider forgetting the network or rotating the router password to force re-authentication. If you get access denied or no key content, make sure you launch the prompt as administrator and use the exact SSID. If the profile is absent, connect first or log into the router admin page to reset or view credentials.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.